Hey guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log in Forever 21. Login in Forever 21 is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Visit the Forever 21 website, open your web browser and go to Forever 21 website. The URL is typically www.forever21.com. Locate the login button. Once on the Forever 21 homepage, look for the sign in or login button. It's usually located at top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. Once you have found the login button, click on it to proceed. Enter your email address and password. You will be directed to a login page where you need to enter your registered email address and password in the provided field. Click on the login button. After entering your email address and password, click on the login button to sign in. Complete the security verification if required. For enhanced security, you may be prompted to complete a security verification process such as entering one-time verification codes into your email address or phone number. Access your account. Once you have successfully logged in, you should be redirected to your account dashboard where you can manage orders, view your wish list, update profile and more. That's it, you have successfully logged into your Forever 21 account. If you like this video, press the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Until then, bye bye.